So, g'day people, how you going? And today, well, my name is Glenn, and today, a fossil. Ooh, look at that. This is a Cnidaria. It's a fish from the Green River or locality, and it is a fossil. So this is related to what we're going to talk about now. So, when we call someone an old fossil, this is what we mean. We just mean someone who is ancient in their beliefs, or generally just old, like me. I'm an old fossil. Well, I'm getting there anyway. So in another 20 years, definitely be a fossil, a living fossil. A living fossil is just an organism that's supposed to be extinct, but somehow it survived. So, this fish and me are related because humans evolved from fishes. So I am an old fossil. So how would you put an old fossil in a sentence? Well, you could say, I'm an old fossil, please don't hurt me. Or you could say, that politician is an old fossil. His beliefs are so old that they deserve to be made extinct. And they usually say that about conservatives because a lot of their beliefs inhibit others' abilities to enjoy their lives. So, an old fossil is someone who is old or whose beliefs are old and they should be swept away, so that something new and more progressive can actually come into play. So I hope that this helps you learn what an old fossil is and what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So you just replace it with the word old, or you can use it as a descriptor of an individual. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome Australian English learning time. But generally, this phrase is used in all English, not just Australian English. It's used in American, British, and I don't know what. So anyway, I'll end it here. Stop by. Bye-bye.